is Dahlia and I'm going to be making arroz con leche. So what you need is 2 cups of rice, the skin of an orange, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, raisins, half and half, and milk. So what we're first going to put in is the orange skin, the nutmeg, the salt, the cinnamon, and the rice. And the milk, the half and half, and the raisins we're going to put later. So I will put all these ingredients that I said that I'm going to put in the bowl in, and I'll be right back. Bye guys. Hello guys, I'm back. So now that I put everything in my pot, it's time to add my 4 cups of water. And I'm going to boil it for 10 minutes. And put my fire to medium. Hello guys, I'm back. So now that I boiled for 10 minutes, I'm going to add all the ingredients, and I forgot to mention about my sugar. So you need 1 cup of sugar. So I'm going to add all my ingredients and put it inside for 20 minutes, and I'll be right back. Bye guys. Hi guys, now that I let my arroz con leche boil for 20 minutes, I let it rest for 5 minutes. And I'm going to taste it now. I serve myself. I hope it's not too hot. Good. Really good. Bye guys.